Hello and welcome. Do you know that every time you connect to free Wi-Fi in a cafe, hotel, or airport, you are putting your personal life at risk? Your passwords, your bank information, and even your private messages can all be exposed. But here is the good news. With one simple app, you can make your phone invisible online in few minutes. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download and set up NordVPN on your phone so you can protect yourself instantly. Just a quick heads up. If you sign up for NordVPN using the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and this helps support the channel so that I can keep making helpful videos, and I really appreciate it. As you watch, you will see a QR code right here on screen. Please scan it anytime to try NordVPN free for yourself, or if you prefer, you can click on the link in the description of this video to try NordVPN free for yourself. Before we continue, I want to kindly remind you, if you are following this tutorial, please make sure to use my special link to get started. You can find it right below this video, in the description, in the pinned comment, or you can simply scan the QR code you see on your screen. If you are not familiar with how QR codes work, don't worry. I've made a short video right here on this channel showing you exactly how to download and use a QR scanner on your phone. Just look for it in this channel and you see how to install it and use it on your phone. By using my link, you not only get access to the official website and often benefit from exclusive discounts or even deals, because these discounts and deals will make you to pay at a reduced price. But you also help support this channel so that I can keep creating more clear, practical tutorials like this one, all at no extra cost to you. So let us go ahead and follow together step by step. I will show you exactly how you go from that link all the way to the download page, whether you are using a phone or a computer. Let me share my screen with you, please. Okay, assume now that together we are trying to watch the video, and then you are also following as you see on screen how to download and install NordVPN. As you are on YouTube, the only thing you need is to focus where you see more. You click on more, and then you will open now the place where you have the description of the video, where you see the link where it says try NordVPN. That's where you click. If you like, you can still click on more, but there is no need. When you click there, they will ask you, do you want to leave YouTube? You say yes. You click on leave so that you can move now to the official website of NordVPN. Let's wait for it to load. As we click on leave, it will take us now to the website of NordVPN. And as I said, that special link will make you to really have some discounts and even some good deals after the trial period, if you like to really move on. At this level now, we allow it to load. Once the loading is over, please focus on these three lines up here. These three lines, that's where you are going to click. The three lines, when you click on them, you will land now to this page where you have download VPN. You click on it, and you select now your device. In our case here, we are dealing with Android, but if it's iOS, if it's Linux, Windows, whatsoever, we click on Android in our case, and then we move now to where you see now get it from Play Store. You click on get from Google Play. Sorry, we take you now Google Play. We now download it on Android so that we can use it there. That's how easy it is. When you click on it, this page is going to load. You just be patient a bit. Open with what? We are going to open with Google Play Store. You just click on it, and then you select just once so that it can take you to Google Play Store for you to download NordVPN. Going from the source, that is our link. We click here now on install, and then Google Play. From there now we can install now NordVPN. That is how easy it is to move from that link in the description right to our Google Play. Please just follow this step so that you can benefit from this discount. Thank you very much. Just be patient, please. Okay, that is it. That is 14%, 18%, 24, 30. Let's just allow it to run right to the end so that we move on with the next steps to really protect yourself online and drive away hackers and those who like to steal your sensitive information online. Very soon we'll be reaching the end of the installation process. Is it already 100% installing now? Let's just be patient a bit, please, as the installation process moves on. Just need to be patient a bit as this goes on. Very soon we'll be through with the installation of NordVPN. Let's just wait a bit, please. I think very soon we'll be seeing the next step. Okay, we have now open. We need now to click on open. That's it. After clicking on it, that's it. NordVPN is opening. Take us to the next step of our installation process. Let's just be patient as the page is loading. That's it, loading as you can see on screen. Let's just be patient a bit, please. As this, that's it. Now we need to accept their terms of use. You click on accept, because if you reject, you will not move on. Click on accept, and then we need to sign up. That is to say, we need to create an account, and that account will be used on multiple devices. We use that same account to connect our other phones or other electronic devices and even our computers if you have many. You just need now to do what? To click on sign up. That is to create your account. And as we said, that unique account will be used to connect many devices. You see the power of NordVPN. Just this trial period can protect you, protect many devices, or even the one of the family. And in this case now, we're going to select now the Gmail. I will create an account using one of my Gmails. And I will click on sign up with Google. As it I press on it, just wait for it to load so that I will select one of my Google accounts, and I'm going to select the first one as you see up there. Just need to click on it. Once I click on it, I will move on. I then have to go down and click on continue. Click on continue to move on with the installation process. Just be patient a bit as it is loading. Let's just be patient a bit, please. Click on continue again to move on with the installation process. Once you are here, just allow it to load, please. Just need to exercise some patience. But this is important to do because we are going to be protected online, so that we can say bye-bye to hackers. You can be browsing internet free. It will take you to this page where you need now to try it for free. As you can see here, 00. I will not spend any dollar. Just need to click try for free, and then it will take me to the page where I need now to accept, and I will sign up for free. Because the trial period of 3 days, you have all the features, all the protections. You are completely protected for 3 days. They will not spend any amount of money during this period. Just try it, and then you will see the power of NordVPN, even though it's a trial period. So you just need to continue now. You still click on sign up with Google, and then we move on now to the next step. Since we already selected, you remember we selected that first one, you just need to click on it again, and then it will take us straight to the next step of our installation process, so that we are sure that we have NordVPN ready. Here now they say you are great, you are in. Just click on continue. They say you are successfully logged in. And you see now that you are in. This is where the fun part really starts, because we can be able to activate our VPN to stay invisible online, to protect all our assets. Let's just be patient and allow it to load so that we can activate our NordVPN. Here now you need to just click on quick connect, and you will select the nearest area so that you can stay invisible online. Just click on quick connect. When I click on it, that is it. You need to enable. If it appears, you just click on enable, so that you can select the nearest area where you stay protected. Just click here OK. Click on, it's a connection request. Yes, you need to click on OK. That's it. And then that is it now loading. It is finding the best server for you, so that you can really be browsing with peace of mind. As you can see up there, connected, and when I selected the best place for me, which is South Africa, even though I don't live there, it means everything I do will now show that. It's as if we're really in South Africa. And even you can scroll down, you have a very long list under. If you want to change, you can select another country from this list. So you just need to scroll and you pick any one of your choice, and that's it. You are ready, you are already protected, you are shielded from all threats online. Congratulations for it. So now you have just seen how easy it is to install and use NordVPN on your phone. But what we have really done is give yourself privacy, safety, and freedom online. Don't wait, please, for a bad experience to remind you how important protection is online. Right now, you can just scan the QR code that has been on screen all along to try NordVPN for free. Or if you prefer, you can click the link in the description to also grab the free trial of NordVPN. And if you would like also to try my free PDF guide with extra online privacy tips, you will find also the link in the description. Just download it, and I will send it straight to your inbox. Thank you very much for paying attention.